Imagine trying to change the rules of the game just as you're starting to play. That's often what happens when dealing with zoning and compliance in mixed-use development. Today, we're delving into the complex world of zoning laws and how to navigate them to ensure your project doesn't just start strong, but also crosses the finish line successfully. Zoning is like the rulebook for city development. It dictates what can be built and where. For mixed-use developments, which blends residential, commercial, and sometimes industrial components, zoning can be particularly tricky. It's like trying to put a square peg into a round hole. The key? Engagement and adaptation. Working closely with city planner and being willing to adapt your plans can turn zoning from a barrier into a bridge. Compliance issues extend beyond just zoning. Think of them as a fine print in a contract. You don't want to overlook them. Building codes, environmental regulations, and public access requirements all play a part. Staying compliant means staying informed. Regular consultations with legal and environmental experts can keep your project aligned with current regulations and future-proof against any potential legal challenges. Let's talk solutions. First of all, consider a proactive approach to zoning changes. If your project vision doesn't align with current zoning laws, be prepared to lobby for changes. This requires building a case that demonstrates how your development serves the community's best interests, like providing more housing or boosting local commerce. Number 2, invest in compliance from the start. Incorporate sustainable practices and accessibility features early in your design to meet environmental and ADA compliance. It's like setting up the stage properly before the concert begins. Everyone enjoys a show without any hitches. In our next episode, Tenant Mix Strategy, we will explore how selecting the right blend of tenants can turn your mixed-use development into a dynamic community hub. If zoning and compliance are about setting the rules, tenant mix is about inviting the right players to the game. If you're navigating the complex landscape of zoning and compliance, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell at ECMP Studios to stay updated. Got questions or insights about dealing with regulatory changes? Drop a comment below. We value your experiences and stories. And remember, Beyonce might think girls run the world. In our world, it's the savvy developers. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay